Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Luciana Tika Syafitri. I am from at A3 Mathematics Education 2019 of IKIP Siliwangi Bandung University. Here I will be recently explain the research journal written by Mrs. Masta Hutajulu, Mr. Tommy Tanuwijaya, and Mr. Wahyu Hidayat. Component of a research article. 1. Title Judul. The effect of the mathematical disposition and learning motivation on problem solving and analysis. Authors pengarang. Introduction pengantar. Discussion pembahasan. Address alamat, methods metode. Acknowledgement ucapan terima kasih. Referensi result hasil and abstract. Title. The effect of mathematical disposition and learning motivation on problem solving and analysis. Keywords: learning motivation, mathematical disposition, and problem solving. Purpose: to attract readers' interest in this field of study. Using the first title style, which is descriptive. That is the type of title style that states the focus of research problems. Length: the title is 11 words. Author pengarang Mrs. Masta Hutajulu, Mr. Tommy Tanuwijaya, and Mr. Wahyu Hidayat. Address alamat Institut Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Siliwangi and Quasi Normal University. The authors in this study are written based on the letters of the alphabet of the author's name. In accordance with the journal components, namely the main address, email address, and the address of the time of the study. By the low problem-solving abilities, mathematical disposition and learning motivation of junior students samples were obtained in class 7 to 8 SMPN Tricimahi as many as 34 students. Studies uses correlational quantitative methods. Analysis was done by regressive methods. The data collection was given to phases of study instruments, namely problem-solving-based instrument and non-test questionnaires in a set of mathematical disposition and learning motivation. The data was tested for regression and correlation. The results of data analysis that was mathematical disposition and learning motivation were significantly influenced by problem-solving ability of junior students, with the regression equation indicates a positive influence, and the degree of conscience in the Pearson correlation confidence of 0.827 passive in a strong positive interpretation. Together, mathematical disposition variable and learning motivation variables can determine the problem-solving variable by 68.3%. Recommendation from this study: teachers should design learning process that improve that the students' problem-solving abilities increase. Let's use this is abstract in the simple past tense. Then this is the tenses. Example 1. This research was motivated by the low problem-solving abilities. Include passive sentence in the simple past tense because it uses to be was and the term form of the verb. Example 2. The data was tested for regression and correlation, including passive sentence in the simple past tense because it used to be was and the third form of the verb. Introduction. Perkenalan. Problem solving is one of the abilities that need to be owned and developed by every student at the secondary education level. The renunciation of the statement includes mathematical problem solving was the ability listed in the curriculum and objective of the 206 KTSP Mathematics Learning and 2030 Mathematics Curriculum, which states the purpose of mathematics learning was to solve problems that include the ability to understand problems. As the solution obtained from Hendriana, Rohaiti, and Sumarmo, 2017. Therefore, solving mathematical problems is very important in learning mathematics because it can facilitate in facing problems in the lives of students today and in the days to come. But the reality in the field shows that the problem-solving ability is still low. This is in line with Research Assessment Program for International Students PISA 2050, SESCHUR 2050, indicates that the study math ability Indonesian ranked at 63 out of 71 countries with a score obtained is 386. Furthermore, the research result trend in 2050 Mathematics and Science Study TIMSS shows the ability Indonesian mathematics students ranked 44th out of 49 countries with a score obtained is 397. Thus, it can be known that mathematical abilities Indonesian students are in the low. Therefore, the purpose of this research was to find out and examine the correlation of mathematical disposition, motivation, and learning motivation and problem-solving abilities of tenses. Example 1. Carrying out the plan refers to the completion of the mathematical model that has been compiled. The tenses used are past perfect because there is to be, has been, and the third form of the verb. Example 2. Tenses. The importance of ownership of problem-solving abilities is reflected in the tweet. Is a passive sentence. The tenses used is the simple present because it uses to be is and the third form of the verb. In this journal, it is according with the components, namely there is a purpose, the content of why the research is carried out, there are variable being in investigation and the stage of the problem and the study. The length of the introduction is generally 500 words. In the study, there are 1050 words. Method. The study used correlational quantitative methods. The research studied learning motivation and problem solving and analysis. Participant. The population of this research are students 7th grade at SMPN 2 Cimahi. To obtain a representative sample, the sample being randomly divided class 7-2 at SMPN 2 Cimahi as many as 34 students. The study includes two independent variables, namely mathematical disposition and learning motivation, and one dependent variable is students' problem-solving abilities. The independent variable is this study was mathematical disposition and learning motivation, while the defined variable was problem-solving ability. Research instrument. The data collection for each student was given to phase of study instrument, namely problem-solving test instrument and non-test questionnaires in a set of mathematical disposition and learning motivation. The problem-solving ability instrument in a set of 5 description questions, while the learning motivation questionnaire in a set of 42 statements with 21 positive questions and 21 negative questions, and mathematical disposition questionnaire in a set of 44 statements with 22 positive questions and 32 negative statistical by using a correlation test that aims to see whether or not there is a relationship between variables. Data was collected the process using multiple linear regression tests and correlation tests, but before the requirements that was carried out at fulfillment of the assumption needed in multiple regression analysis on things that are very important in statistical terms, because the data obtained from tests of problem-solving abilities and questionnaire from disposition and learning motivation have become interval data than test requirement different to our test. 1. Normality for the dependent variable and errors. 2. Test linearity requirements. 3. Multicollinearity requirement test. And 4. Heterogeneity requirement test. Results and discussion. We reach a calculation of problem-solving skills. 1. Identify the adequacy of data for problem-solving, 65% in null category. 2. Make a model of everyday situation of problems and solve them, 47% less category. 2. Choose and apply strategies to solve mathematical problems or outside math, 36% less category. And 4. Explaining or interesting the result according to the problem and the truth of the result or honest answer in the 57% category enough. One of the tenses used in the result and discussion in the simple present. There is a passive sentence that used to be is and the third form of the verb in the sentence belong. The following is version of table of mathematical disposition result. Conclusion, kesimpulan. Based on the result and discussion, mathematical disposition questionnaire result on a positive statement score 1,000 and 1,803 with an average of 59.30%. On the negative statement with a score of 1,500 and on the negative statement with a score of 1,599 with an average of 51.58%. The result of the learning motivation questionnaire on the positive statement score 1,795 with an average of 50, and the negative statement got a score of 1,651 with an average of 48.79%. Well, the recapitulation of the average problem-solving ability. 1. Identify and adequacy of data from problem-solving, 65% self-guessing category. 2. Make a models of everyday situation or problems and solve them, 46% low category. 3. Use and apply strategies to solve math problems or outside math, 36% low category. And 4. Explain or interpreting the result according to the problem and the truth of the result or answer in the 57% category enough. The conclusion of the research is that problem-solving ability is influenced by mathematical disposition and learning motivation, as well as mathematical disposition and learning motivation would individually and collectively have a positive effect on students. Problem-solving abilities, meaning that the higher the mathematical disposition and student motivation, the higher the learning motivation. The high problem-solving ability of students, then the correlation coefficient inverses classifies into a very strong classification. Based on the result of this study, the author recommends that the level of student problem-solving abilities is influenced by factors of mathematical disposition and learning motivation. So, to improve student mathematical disposition and learning motivation, it is also necessary to pay attention to learning that must be sustained as well as possible. Acknowledgement. The author would like to thank Ikip Silami for providing for support so that this paper can be realized, and would like to thank SMPN 2 Cimahi as the research site. Reference. It is in accordance with the rules of journal writing. Conclusion. The reason I chose this journal is because this journal interests me how influential the students' mathematical disposition and student motivation to problem-solving skill are.
Thank you to listening to my talk and see you soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.